am Kada. I am from class 3A of the vocational college in Leoben, and today it's my pleasure to show you how to prepare chicken tikka masala. It's a dish brought from immigrants to Great Britain in the 50s and 60s. I'm going to start off with dicing the chicken. Now I'm going to finely chop the onion and the garlic. Now I'm going to squeeze the lime. Now I'm going to add some salt, pepper, coriander, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the lime juice into the chicken and stir it well. Meanwhile, boil the rice according to the instructions on the packaging. Heat some oil in a large frying pan and add the marinated chicken. Cook the chicken for about 10 minutes on a medium heat until it's well browned. Remove the chicken and heat some oil in the same pan. Then add the onion, the chili powder, turmeric and cumin and stir it constantly for about a minute. Stir the cream into the spices, add the chicken and the tomato puree and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. If you want to have some vegetables in your meal, feel free to add some chives. It smells delicious, and now it's ready to be served.